In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add a new post with media within WordPress. From within your dashboard, click the post header. Then click Add New. You can enter the title for your post and then enter the relative body copy for your post within the section below. Once I've got copy into my post, I can preview what this is going to look like on my blog by clicking the preview button in the right-hand column. None of these changes are actually uploaded to the website. However, it's giving me a preview of what this is going to look like when I make the changes live. I can close this tab to go back to my dashboard. Now we're going to show you how to add a picture to your post. Position your cursor in the point in your post where you want your media to appear. WordPress will automatically insert your new media where your cursor currently is, so make sure it is not in the middle of a word or a sentence. So for example, I want my image to show up as the first item in my post, so I'll place it right at the beginning of the content area. In the Add Media section here, where it says Upload or Insert, the first item allows me to add an image. Click the first item. Then click Select Files to choose the picture I want to upload. I'll navigate within the Explorer to find the picture that I want. Now I have the option to change the title, caption, and description of this picture. Alternate text is the text that appears when you hover over the image, so make it descriptive for the image that you are using. Remember that the width of your blog post will typically be less than 500 pixels. If you upload an image or video that is wider than this, it will almost certainly not fit. In the case of this image, the full size is 1024 by 768, which will be too large to actually fit within my blog. WordPress has the option to automatically resize the image to fit within the blog. In this case, I want it to be sized to medium, which is 300 pixels by 225 pixels. Once I'm finished with the changes and all of the description for my image, I can click Insert into Post. Now you'll see within my edit area the picture has appeared. Again, I can click the preview button on the right hand side to see how this will actually look on my blog. This is how the picture and the post will look on my blog. It is always a good idea to preview your work before you actually publish so that you can make sure that the post is formatted correctly within your blog. Once you are satisfied with the preview, you can click the Publish button to make the changes go live and publish this post to your blog. Now I can visit my site by clicking the external link in the top left-hand corner, and I can see that my post was added to the blog.